Hello and welcome to Someka Premium Performance Review template. This tool mainly shows you the performance of your employees according to the performance references you determine. It is constructed by three parts. These are the dashboard, the employee database, and the individual review. Let's start with the employee database. Type the name and other properties of your employees. Let's say 21 is Kevin Spacey. Once you write the name, the review button will be shown in here automatically. And let's say the other properties are the same with a 1 in a bow. So let's carry on with the individual review. The properties you enter for employee information in the database will be uploaded here automatically. Put the letter X to evaluate the employee for each metric. Once you complete evaluating the employee, their overall score and performance will be shown in here. Let's say job knowledge, productivity, work quality. Once you complete reviewing all of your employees, go back to the dashboard to set the main settings. Set total score references for each performance. Set the ratios for your expected performance. Once you set it, the graphic will adjust itself automatically. So let's say we're expecting 10% of poor, 20% of unsatisfactory, 30% of satisfactory, 30% of good, and 10% of excellent. The blue line shows you the expected performance, but the actual performance is represented by the orange line. After you're done with the settings, as result, the best and the worst three performer will be displayed on the bottom with the best and the worst department. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.